Okay, so today we're going to do a bit of pancetta. It's going to be in the cure for about 12 days, between 8 and 12 days. We won't know until we've trimmed it, because the time it is in the cure is a function of the weight of the thing. So it's a bit more precise than doing something like streaky bacon, which is an excess salt method. Yeah, so I'm going to trim this down a bit. Take out the bones, trim it, square it off so it can be cured and rolled nicely. Alright, so come back when that's done. Okay, so I've taken the skin off. That's scored, unfortunately, but if you get a bit without scoring on, you can bake it as sheets or cut it into strips and bake it in the oven for some crackling. So I've taken they only have a few bones out. It's quite a low belly piece, so I've taken a few bones out and, as I say, skinned it, squared it roughly off. I'm going to weigh it now and weigh out about 5%, weigh 5% of salt, and start the cure, and then bung it in a bag and stick it in the fridge for a bit. Okay, so just got about 1100 grams of the pork belly now. I've weighed that out. That's 5%, which is about 55 grams of salt. We've got some dark brown sugar, about 10 grams of smashed up
peppercorns.
No.
Juniper berries.
Junipers, thank you. Some garlic, a couple of bay leaves, some nutmeg, and about 20 grams of fresh, coarsely smashed up pepper. And I've got to hold half of that back as well for the cure later on. So that's all going to go in a bag, and I'll bung it in the fridge. So I'll bag it up, put it all over, and then let you see what it looks like. Right, so the cure is on the meat. So had a bag, a Ziploc bag, put half the cure in the bottom, put the belly on the top, and then half the cure on the top. So there's an equal amount-ish of cure top and bottom of the belly. Zip that up nice and tight, and then it's going in the fridge now, in here for 6 days. 500 grams, 3 days for each 500 grams, so just over a kilo. So 6 days later we'll see how it goes. So we'll see you in 6 days.